Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enable the push to talk setting on Discord. So go to user settings and go to voice and video, and then in input mode you are going to select push to talk, and here you're just going to edit your keybind. For instance, like you press on that key and then you'll be able to talk. So press edit keybind and select the key you want to use when you want to talk. So I'm just going to go and press edit keybind and press T, and then after that I'm going to close this and go to a channel to show you. So go to the channel. Okay, that took quite some time. And then as you can see, there is no green because I have to push the T to talk. So when I push the T, it turns green. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!